Hello. How many of you completed the installations? Can you please respond? Yeah, okay. So, database connection also completed, right? So, in first class and second class, we have completed the Python, and database connections and all. So, if you people didn't complete it, so you can go through the video recordings and you can do the installations, okay? So that you can do further operations and all, okay? So today I'm going to discuss like how to create a sample project, and also project structure, explanations, and also page navigations using links, okay? So we have already discussed the project creation in the first class, okay? But I will revise again in today's class also. So let's create a new project by using four commands. So can anyone please respond what are the four commands that we use for to create the project? If you have any idea, so please let me know what are the four commands that we use to create a new project. In first class, I have explained. If you know, please let me know. Don't know? Okay then. Uh, so first of all, we should go to PyCharm. Okay. So in PyCharm, we have file, right? So here we should have a new project, right? So here I'm keeping the one project name. So my project name is demo. So whatever you take, okay. So I'm taking demo, and let's create the project. New window. So for this we have four commands, right? So to start the project we have a command, and to start the app we have one command, and to run the server we have a command. So these four commands are already completed in the first class, but I will revise again. So to create a project we have a command like start start not start Django admin. One second. So the command is Django admin start project, and we should mention our project name. Okay. So what is our project name? Like whatever we can take, I'm taking like demo. Okay. Enter. Sorry, we should not give space after the start. Okay. One second. Django admin start project. I'm giving project name as demo. So enter. So here our project is successfully. Oh, wait 1 second. Let me share the screen. What you are listening? I didn't even share the screen till now. So let me share the screen. So is my screen visible to us? Can anyone respond? Hello? Okay, thank you. So let's go to the pie chart, and first of all, we should create a project. So for that, we should use this command. Okay, Django admin start project. Our project name is demo. So I took project name as demo. So this is the command to use to create the project. Okay, so here our project is created. This is our project. Okay, so next, the second command is cd and our project name. So cd means change directory. It is used to move into a folder, move the project into a folder. For that purpose, we will use cd. Okay, this is the second command. So enter, and the third command is to create the app. Okay, to create the app, we should use this command. What is that? Python manage.py start app. So here we should take one name, one app name, whatever it may be, we can take. Okay. So here I'm taking the app name as demo app. Okay. And enter. And to test if the like project and app successfully completed, run successfully or not, to check that we should use one command, that is python manage.py run server. Okay, so this command is used to check the if the project is successfully run or not. For that purpose, we'll use this command. So here six, our project is demo and our app name is demo app. These two are successfully created. Let's check here, enter. So just click this link. Yeah, here we find like the install worked successfully. Okay, so the project is successfully created. Okay, so in our project, there will be settings, URLs, and all. Mainly, we use in our project like settings.py and urls.py. Okay, only we'll use these two. Okay, and in demo app, we'll have like models.py, test.py, and views.py. In this, we'll use mostly like models.py and views.py to write the logic. Okay, to create the tables, we'll use models, and to write the logic, we'll use view and URLs. Okay, so this is the project structure. Okay, and next, so here we have settings, right? So let's go to the setting, and here inside the settings we have a install app. So here we should keep our app name. So can anyone please respond? What is the app name? What we have to app name? Can you please respond? See, check here. Please see here. What is the app
Demo
name
app.
we have to? Please unmute yourself and speak up. What is the app name? See here. Yes, right. Right. Demo app. Our app name is demo app. So we should keep our app name here. Okay. So with the demo app, right? So here we should keep inside the install app. Okay. So after this, next we have to create the templates folder here. Okay. In demo app, in app, we should right click and enter on click on new and next directory. Here we should take file name as templates. Okay. So we should give all small letters only. We should not use the capital letters here. Okay. So here I'm taking the file name as templates. Here our file is successfully installed, right? Successfully created. And so here I'm creating HTML page, one HTML page. Okay. So templates are nothing but here all the front end pages will be situated. Okay. So here all the HTML files. We can write a number of HTML pages in this single folder. Okay. So let's create a HTML file. So I'm keeping name as index for that HTML file. Okay. This is the HTML. HTML is nothing but it will be visible in the web page. So let me know. Let me see. So here in title I'm taking as demo and in body I'm taking hello world. Okay. So this is our HTML page. So to visible the HTML page in the web, we have to write some logics, right? So that logic should be written in these views, okay, views and URLs. So in views, how we should write means def. This is the function, okay. So def, what is our HTML index, right? So I'm taking our function name as index, okay. Request return render request. Here what we should write means our template name. What is our template name? Index, right? So we should write index here. Index dot index dot html. This is the context library dictionary. So I will use why will use this. I will share later in later classes like why you will use this dictionaries. Okay. So this is the logic to open the web page. Okay. So it is not enough. Only views are not enough. We should write URLs to open the page. Okay. So for URLs, how we should write means path views dot index it is function name. In views we have the index, right? See here function name. So here in part also we should write our views function name index and name as index. We should write comma after closing the bracket. Okay, it is compulsory. If not, we'll get an error. And here we should import from app. What is our app name? Demo app, right? So from demo app, I'm importing views. Okay. So this is the HTML page. HTML page is nothing but web page. And to open this web page, we should write a logic that is in views. Okay. So this is the logic to open the web page and also URLs. Okay. So let me run the server. So let me see what we'll find. So open this link. See, this is the web page. Okay, here we'll finding hello world, right? And this is the title demo. Okay, clear? If you have any doubts, please can you respond? Let me know. So this is the creation of one template web page. Up to here, understand? If you have any doubts, please respond me so that I can explain for you. Hello, please respond. If you have any doubts, please respond, or else we can go next topic. At least please message me so that I can understand how. Are you clear with this up to now? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So up to now we have created a HTML page and views and URLs, right? So to open the HTML, to open the web page, we have created, we have written logics in views and URLs. So let me create another page so that you will get an idea like how the pages will trigger one page to another, like page navigations or links. So we can create the thousand of HTML pages in this single template, right? So here I'm um, taking another file, HTML file. I'm creating another HTML file. So I'm giving name as another here. So successfully created another HTML. Here I'm giving one description type like one title or else one heading like this is second page. Okay, so here we have written one uh, heading in the HTML file. So to open this another HTML file, we should write again the your views, right? So let's write the views here. What we'll write? Def. What is our function name? Another request return render request. What is our template name? What is our template name? Please respond.
Another. Another.
Please respond anyone. What is our template name? Another. For another, what is our template name? We have took HTML. See here and please respond. Is good. Another HTML. Another dot HTML. Right. So here we should write another dot HTML. Our template name is another dot HTML. Right. So we should write here. And so this is the our view. Okay. For the another HTML page. And next what we'll do, next for here we should write URLs, right? So how we'll write the URL path? Here this is the second page, right? So here we should take another, okay? And next views dot, what is our function name in the views? Another, right? So here we should take another and name another. Anyone can explain the difference between this another, and this another? Can anyone explain me? What is the difference? What is the difference between this another, and this another? Can anyone understand? Okay, let me explain. Okay, so this another is nothing but this is the URL. Okay, so web URL. We'll give the link to to trigger one page to another page. Okay, let me show after completion of this topic. Okay. So this another is nothing but whatever we write here. Okay, in this function, this another will be written in this page. Okay, and this another is nothing but it is a name which are using a link in href, we'll use in the href link. This another, let me show. Okay, let me explain again. Okay, so we have written url and views and another html page, right? So let us run again. Okay, let us run the server now and let's open. So we have this is our first page, right? So how our second page will open? How means here we should give slash, one second, slash another. Okay. So let's enter this. See, this is our second page. Understand? So why this page redirected means in URLs we have another right here. Here we should we took another right in URLs. So this page, this uh, another is showing in this web page here. Understand? So this is our second page. So every time we can't go to the IP address. This is the IP address, right? Every time we can't go to the IP address and we can't give the slash another, right? So for that, what we can do, if you have any idea. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళడానికి స్లాష్ అనదర్ అని ప్రతిసారి యూజ్ చేయలేం కదా. సో అలా యూజ్ చేయకుండా ఇంకేమైనా చేయొచ్చా? కెన్ యూ గివ్ ఎనీ ఐడియా? నార్మల్గా నెక్స్ట్ పేజెస్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే మనకి నెక్స్ట్ బటన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో ఆ బటన్స్ కోసం ఎలా చేయాలి అంటే, ఎలా రాయాలి కోడ్లో అంటే, సో నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకు కావాల్సింది మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్, రైట్? సో ఈ పేజ్ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ అంటే అనదర్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే మనం రాయాల్సిన నెక్స్ట్ బటన్ ఎక్కడ? ఫస్ట్ పేజ్లో, సో ఇండెక్స్ పేజ్లో. సో హౌ విల్ రైట్ ద లింక్ మీన్స్ హియర్ we should give a angular tag. Okay, so here I am taking angular tag href. Next, so this is the format to give a button. Okay, so let's run the server again. refresh. Okay, in first page, right? So we got a next button here, right? So click on this, it will trigger to the second page. So is this okay? Understand? How will go one page to another page? How will trigger? How will the pages trigger one page to another page? Have uh, have you understand? Yes, thank you. Okay, here can anyone explain now how what is the difference between this another, and this another? Can anyone explain me? So this is the URL. This another is the URL. Here, here in seeing right in the IP address, this another is related to this, this another. Okay, and views dot another is nothing but wherever whatever we can write in the views function. This another this name is related to this this another, and this is related to this. Here we wrote right in the href tag. This another is related to this. Understand? So here we have completed one page to another page triggering. Okay. So now what I want is I want to come back from second page to first page. So what we'll do? Can you please give me an idea what we'll do? What my question is, I gave in the first page next button, right? To go to the second page. So what I want is I want to come back from the second page to first page. So what we should do? This is my question. Can anyone answer? Back button, right? In the second page. Good. So where we'll write this URL in the another HTML, right? So here we should write anchor tag href. This is the format to write a link. Okay, URL. Here what we should write, we should go to index page, right? So I'm writing like index. Close this button and I'm keeping back. Okay, so let's run the circle. Let's see what we'll find. See, we got a link like back, right? In the second page. So let's click this page, it will be going to first page. So this is the navigation links to go for one page to another page. Okay, next page and back page. So up to here, are you okay? Like, have you understand up to here? If you have any doubts, please respond. Please ask me so that I can explain. So in this class, what we have done is we have created a project and here. So we have created a project and app. So in this app, we have created a file named as templates. So in this template, we have two HTML files. One is index.html and another is another.html. So in for the index.html to open this page, we have written logics in views and URLs, right? So after this URLs, we have run the server and the page is opened as this, like this, right? So and next we created another HTML, and for this also we have wrote views and URL. Okay, so and after run the project we got like this. So here we keep slash another, so the next page open. So every time we can't do like that, right? So for that purpose we given the next and back buttons. How we gave? So for in index page we have given a anchor tag. Okay, so and another page we have given back button, right? To change from one page to another page, to go one page to another page. So this is the today's class. Okay, have you understand? So if you have any doubt, let me know please, so that I can explain now itself. Is it okay? Have you created project and all? Prashanti, have you created? Sandhya, Shaurya, please give response. Have you created your project? If not, please go through the video recordings and please note each and every point so that you can easily understand. Okay? Hmm. Okay, Shaurya. Thank you. Thank you, Prashanti. Okay, then we'll end up this session. Okay? Thank you. Please inform to your friends also, okay, to go through the video recordings and please listen to the classes. Please inform to your friends also. Okay? We'll be sharing in the your WhatsApp group. Okay then, bye. Okay.